Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Charlene and I am here to share healthy habits, mindset shifts, and delicious recipes to help you live a lifestyle that you actually love living. And if you're not new here, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we're doing a weekly reset together. One of my favorite rituals for staying on top of things and keeping life feeling balanced. This is where we clean up, we get organized, and we set ourselves up for a healthy and productive week ahead. It's all about taking care of your space, taking care of your food and your mindset. So if you're ready, let's dive in. I've always found that tidying a space makes it so much easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. When my environment is organized, I feel less stressed and more in control. Plus, it's so much easier to make good decisions when I'm not overwhelmed by chaos. Oh my goodness, we've hit that time of the day where the sun is just coming in and it's glorious, but I apologize if it's too bright for you. Okay, but let's quickly talk about food prep, okay? Yesterday I hit up Trader Joe's and stocked up on all my fresh produce for the week, which is why you see blueberries and grapes sitting on the counter, because I soaked them, I washed them, and they're drying, but they are now dry, and they're just quick, easy grab and go snacks. And honestly, for Liv and for her lunches, fruit is the go-to snack in my house, and so we have that on hand all the time. While fruit is quick and easy and delicious, we also have things like cucumbers, bell peppers, and carrots that are always in the fridge. And having healthy snacks prepped means that I'm less likely to grab some kind of junk food or some kind of crackers or grab something else while I'm out, right? Having something that's prepped and easy, quick, ready to grab and go is essential for maintaining my healthy lifestyle effortlessly, and it's how you can too. And what it really comes down to is taking care of future you and prepping ahead of time. So I'm thinking about the week ahead, and I know that I need some high protein, healthy snacks on hand, whether I need to chuck them in my bag because I'm running Liv all over the place, or if I'm at home working and I don't have time to break for making an entire meal or something, I have something quick and easy that I can just grab. And so for me today, that's gonna look like hard-boiled eggs. I'm just gonna hard-boil a bunch of eggs and put them in the fridge so that I have them throughout the week. Quick, easy, high protein, and so delicious. And because I'm a busy working mama, I do things at the same time. So I started cleaning by cleaning my stove, so now I can meal prep some snacks while I tackle cleaning the rest of the kitchen. I like to multitask because if you're a mom, you know. If you know, you know, okay? All right, and while those eggs are boiling, I wanted to share with you guys really quick. So I've been really thinking about meal prepping for a while now, and since it's winter and it's super cold here, what I've been craving is soups. Normally during the day, during the summer and the spring, I go for a smoothie during the afternoon. It's just like quick, easy, high protein, but it's cold and I am like chilled to the bone, and I cannot force myself to drink a smoothie right now unless I'm sitting outside in the sun. And let's be real, like when I'm working at my laptop, I'm working in the house, yeah. So what I've been doing is I've been meal prepping soups. So right now I have two different meal prepped high protein soups in the fridge, okay? So I made a bone broth butternut squash soup, and to go along with this to make it high protein, I made my homemade chicken Italian sausage. I put 4 ounces of chicken sausage in each bag so that there's 30 grams of protein in each bag. And then likewise, I made a bone broth pot roast, a little bit higher fat in this one, but it's so delicious. It's so nourishing. And honestly, it's just my all-time favorite. So this also has 4 ounces of beef in every single one, plus it's made with bone broth. So it increases the protein, it gives you collagen. It's so good. And honestly, you guys, in the mornings when it's really cold outside and I'm hungry, I can just heat this up and then I'm warm. I've got a high protein meal and it's so good. Like if you can eat this first thing in the morning, like a soup with bone broth in it, is so good for your gut. It's so healing for your gut and just so delicious. So meal prepping, some things that I know that I actually love and that I know I'm gonna wanna eat and that are quick and easy. I can just pop on the stove, quickly heat it up while I'm doing other stuff. So quick and so easy. So let's get back to cleaning. All right, ladies, so let's take a minute really quick to talk about resetting your mindset. And I want you to do this every week, okay? So this morning's workout was an abs and cardio workout. I planned that ahead of time. And so because I know that I work out in my office and the heater's on in the morning to make sure that my daughter is comfortable, it just gets warm in my office. And knowing that I'm gonna be jumping around and doing a cardio workout, I decided to wear shorts for the first time in a very long time. And I caught myself, like I glimpsed in the mirror and I saw some cellulite on my legs and I was like, oh my God. Like, and I started to have negative thoughts pop up in my mind of like, oh my God, how disgusting your legs are. I had no idea my legs looked like that. Like, I wear shorts. Has my cellulite always looked that bad? And in that moment, that negative thought came up. I was like, nope. Wait, stop. That thought is not for me. My legs are so strong. They're so beautiful. They let me walk, sit, stand, run. And I flipped the script immediately. And I took time to celebrate myself and flip the script. Okay, so I urge you to do the same. Transforming our mindset doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen with one practice. It happens with those daily interactions where a negative thought pops up. If you take the moment to acknowledge it, be like, that didn't feel good, and that's not for me, right? And then flip it with a positive affirmation or something positive instead, okay? So I could have sat in that. I could have sat in feeling disgusting and feeling gross and hating my legs and then maybe having a totally crap workout because who am I? Like, I'm so disgusting anyway. Like, my legs are never gonna look the way I want them to, so what's the point of even doing this workout? You see how the negative shame spiral can send you down this negative path of negative choices, negative self-sabotaging habits that I could have encountered all day long. Instead of choosing a healthy meal for lunch, if I continued on that negative shame spiral of, ugh, my legs are so disgusting, man, I'm never gonna get the body that I want, or I'm never gonna have my dream body, whatever the thoughts were, I would have not have chosen a healthy meal. I probably would have eaten something that made my mind feel good instead of fueling my body with good, nutritious foods that makes my body feel really good. Does that make sense? So making sure to do like an audit of your mindset and reset that mindset, and it happens on a daily basis, not just a weekly basis, but a daily basis. So today, I just felt like because we're doing the weekly reset, and that really was prominent for me today. And I'll insert a clip, like it's the shorts that I got from PopFlex Active. They are so stinking cute. I love them so much. They're pink. That was exactly what I was going for, like the energy. I wanted bright bubblegummy pink to like give me motivation in the morning to do this like HIIT cardio workout. And that's what they did. And they were comfortable, they were cute, and I really love them, right? So it's about feeling good, it's about changing our mindset, and it's about making healthy habits that support that, okay? So flipping the script and then living the lifestyle that I actually want to live and that supports who I want to become. And you have that ability to do that too. So this week, I urge you that anytime you get a negative thought popping up in your mind, I urge you to flip the script and say something positive about your body, about who you are, about whatever the situation is, and just watch how it changes your mindset. If you're into journaling like I am, I urge you to start a gratitude practice, and you can start writing gratitude for your body, gratitude. For me personally, I like to look for things to be grateful for within the last 24 hours. I like to keep them really small things that I would have otherwise missed if I hadn't taken the time to think about it. So the way the sun feels on my face in the morning, having electricity, having this body that carries me through life. This is the only home that I'll ever get to live in, right? Just writing 5 things that you're grateful for. And you can even write down maybe 5 affirmations. So if you notice that you have a lot of negative thoughts that pop up, really like reoccurring thoughts that pop up like, I'm not smart enough, God, I'm so stupid, I make that mistake all the time. I urge you to stop and flip the script and say, you know what, it's okay to make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, and I don't make mistakes all the time. I'm really good at XYZ, right? And writing either a gratitude list or your affirmations down. Now you can also do mirror work. Mirror work is a really powerful tool. Standing in front of a mirror, saying your affirmations to yourself, saying kind things to yourself, or when you're getting ready in the morning, or when you walk by a mirror and you start criticizing yourself, stop and say something nice to yourself while you're looking in the mirror. And if you need a practice, I filmed a mirror work practice for the Elevate series. I'll link it here and in the description box down below if you want to check that out and practice doing some mirror work with me and with yourself. I do have a video for that if you guys want to check that out. And you guys, that's it for today's weekly reset. We cleaned up the house. I prepped food and snacks for the week, so I am set up and good to go. And we're shifting our mindset out of negative thinking and into positive thinking, and being so grateful for our bodies and for the food that we have and the things that we have, so that we can change our mindset, we can stop self-sabotaging, and so that we can actually enjoy the process of living a life that we really love. Because if you have a healthy, happy mindset, you're gonna start loving the things that you do, you're gonna start loving your body, and it's gonna make this journey through life so much better. All right. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because it really supports my channel. And anytime you interact with these videos, YouTube thinks that it's a good video, and so it'll push it out to more women. And my goal this year is to hit 50,000 subscribers. I want to reach as many women as possible to help shift our mindset, find food that makes your body feel good, find a way of eating that feels good for your body, find a healthy, positive way of living that feels good for you, create healthy habits that work for you, right? So if you could help me, it would mean the absolute world to me if you could just engage with the video somehow. And if you enjoyed this video, send it to a friend, anybody who you think would benefit from this weekly reset. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.